Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm gonna be walking you through how to download Bybit app from Google Play Store. So once you already open your Google Play Store app, the next thing you're gonna do, just hit on the search bar right here, then search for Bybit. You can see Bybit, so just click on the first one, then gonna bring the app. You can see Bybit right here. Then you can see the overall rating on this app, the total review, and the download so far over 10 million. Then the next thing you're gonna do is just click on install, then the app will install on your phone. So we're gonna wait for that to download and install. So it's already okay, downloaded and it's installing already, so we're gonna wait for that to finish, then we can see. Okay, fine, you can see the app has been downloaded to our device and we can actually proceed to the next thing required.